Hello guys, Dagmay Abata here. Today I'm going to show you how you can cut your videos after you upload them to YouTube. So to cut a video which you uploaded on YouTube, you go to your account icon after you went to YouTube website and you click your account icon. Then there is an option which says YouTube Studio. I'm going to open it in a new tab. After I open it in a new tab, in the left corner there is list of choices and I'm gonna choose videos. Then I'm gonna cut one video, this video, which the title of the video is 52 Learn Java with Dagmay Abata. I'm gonna click the pencil icon. Then there is in the left corner there is a choice which says editor or a button which says editor. I'm gonna go there. Then when I get there, as you can see, the length of my video is 14 minutes 41 seconds and 20 milliseconds. So first let me show you when people see my video how the length of the video will appear to them. So I'm gonna click this. After I click it, it will open it in a new tab. Then as you can see, the length of the video is 41 minutes and 41 seconds. So I'm gonna cut 3 minute lengths, so, starting from 3 minutes up to 6 minutes. Then the video length will be 11 minutes and 41 seconds. So to do that, you first move this thing till you get to 3 minutes. Then you click the trim button. After you click the trim button, then you click split button. After you click the split button, you are going to move this to right till you get to 6 minutes. Then after you get there, you're gonna click preview. If you are going to click preview, you no longer found your trimmed video. There will be a video which there will be a new video updated with the length of with a reduced length. So now I want to cut the length of the video, so I'm gonna click preview. After I click preview, I'm going to say save. Then I will say again save. Then it will take some time. As you can see, it says video is being processed, please check back later. So I'm gonna wait like 3 minutes or 5 minutes or 10 minutes and the processing will be finished. When I go back here, as you can see, it says processing. After it has finished processing, the video will be trimmed. So I'm gonna pause the video now and I'll be right back. It has finished processing now, as you can see. So I'm gonna open it again. After I open it, I will go to editor. Then after I go to editor, I will see that the length of the video has decreased from 14 minutes to 11 minutes. You can see it at the right corner. So I'm gonna open it again, or if I can refresh it. After I refresh it, the length of the video will be 11 minutes and 44 seconds. This is how you cut your uploaded videos on YouTube. If you like this video, please like and share it, and don't forget to subscribe. And after you subscribe, please hit the bell icon so that YouTube can notify you when I am uploading new videos. Till next time.